TikTok versus the U.S. government. It's official. Oral arguments have been scheduled in front of the U.S. Court of Appeals in Washington, D.C. on September 16th at 9:30 a.m. TikTok, of course, wants the courts to step in and rule the law that would ultimately ban the social media app is unconstitutional. Now, as I've reported in great detail, Congress overwhelmingly passed a bill that President Biden signed into law earlier this year that would force ByteDance, the Chinese-based parent company of TikTok, to sell its interest in U.S. TikTok or face a ban on January 19th of 2025. The U.S. government says the app, because of that Chinese-based parent company, is a national security threat. TikTok and 8 U.S.-based TikTok creators sued the federal government, saying that's bogus. TikTok's 77-page lawsuit, which I detailed in this video, says this law is a flagrant violation of the First Amendment, and Congress has absolutely overstepped its authority by singling out one company and not keeping the laws consistent for all media companies. The suit also argues Fifth Amendment violations and improper procedures. Now, we're probably not going to get a decision from the D.C. Appeals Court immediately after the oral arguments. But TikTok, the creators, and even the U.S. government have asked the court to issue a ruling ASAP. They suggest no later than December 6th, which is fast for the federal courts. Why December 6th? Because they all want to preserve their ability to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court before the ban takes effect on January 19th. Now, obviously, there's no guarantee that the U.S. Supreme Court would even take this case, but obviously, all the parties involved clearly think that's exactly where this is headed.